Okay, so I forgot to charge my phone, not my phone, my camera for a while, and I just forgot to. But right now I'm cleaning my room. I know y'all think like maybe this is bad, but it was really, really bad. Like you couldn't even see the ground. But I am cleaning and I can show you guys my tattoo like right now. Here, don't move. Don't move. So this is my tattoo. Ta-da! She's still healing. I literally just took off the second skin. My mom's coming by soon so that way I can get some groceries from her because she bought my groceries today. Shout out. She was like, I understand you're having a hard time, so all you need to do is clean and then become proactive with your work. And oh, if no one else gets it, she does. Shout out to her. She kills me every time. So I'm cleaning. I put on a candle on my desk. See? Put on a candle. I've been drinking water. I ate. You know, I'm just making moves. I'm making moves. Because I feel like if I didn't make any moves and I just like sat down for a second, then I wouldn't get out. Like at all. But that's okay, you know, it's progress, so it's a progressive thing. I can't just be like one day, boom, I got it. Like everything's handled. I'm not sad no more. That's not how it works. So, yeah. I've also been sick for the past, like 2 days. Not like sick as in like COVID sick, but sick as in, like snotty, you know? But that's okay. That's okay. That's about it. That's all I really want to update you guys on. School is school. I really don't know what else to say about that, and I won't be talking about school like that. But yeah, bye.